Briggs, please admit.
Everyone get in front of his screen so you can't see me.
Whee! Circles! My voice cracked. Alright, raise this. Briggs, can you
Oh,
trust me?
this is
I'm
going
in
great.
it. Can you trust me?
Okay, I'm being shot.
Oh no, I just fell off the building!
Oh, it's infinite! No, you got sniped, you got sniped, you got sniped, you got sniped!
Infinite
I saw you pull out.
Alright, who's innocent? Who's a T?
Oh, that was a
I'm your mom.
great
I'm made out of
start.
cheese and bacon.
Hey, don't do that.
I'm your mom.
CX
Oh,
Lucian has an off.
I'm your mom. Wow,
I got Lucian, he had an off out. Lucian had an off out in the top tower.
Dude. Yo, I think it's this Mr. Meat guy, because he was standing still so long.
Both of your mics are terrible, and
Briggs,
you are
why'd
terrible.
Why'd you kill that guy, Briggs?
Carbox. Ow, CR box. Ow.
Guys...
Who is it? Who is it, guys?
Carbox. I think it's Carbox. Just guessing though. I'm not positive.
Carbox, he shot me and a detective.
Ooh, Deagle.
He's an RDM.
It wasn't him.
Whoa, what the heck?
Briggs, can you deal with that and
Briggs
whatever
is dead.
happened, and deal with the incident?
I don't really know what happened. He's
Wait,
like
there's an ID body on the roof.
Whoa, he
Cool.
RDM'd one dude. That's kind of long. For one dude.
Watch out, there's a sniper with an op. I don't know where.
I sniped one of the snipers that was trying to kill us.
Ow!
Yes, they act very suspicious. I will admit that.
What are you doing up here?
I'm proven, guys.
No
You can mark
infinite,
me
no
as
one's
friend.
alive.
The guy on the roof is shooting. The guy on the roof is...
Yeah, I know. I'm shooting out windows.
Where is he? Oh. Okay.
Alright, thank you.
I might be alive. I might not. You don't know.
There's actually a dead body that I didn't confirm, and I thought it was
So
a T.
that
He had
people
an
shooting is
op out.
not me.
I don't know. It's in the roof. In the roof you were shooting windows out of. It's in there.
I was shooting windows out. I swear. You could
Yeah,
check
I know
if anyone
that
understands.
that building you were shooting windows out of. There on
No,
the
that's
top
what-
floor.
that's
There's
what
an
I'm
sniping
ID
tower though,
body.
so I'm gonna shoot at the rest of the windows.
I'm coming, don't shoot at it.
Go ID the body in there.
Fuck.
Where deep is the body?
It's
No,
on the
I don't
top
have
floor.
any way to get it.
I'm on my
I don't
way.
have any way to get it. They shot out that door. Oh wait, I found a way. It's like a giant puzzle.
Right on.
Oh no,
Alright,
6
anyone ID
is
the body in
down.
the top floor?
Wait, top floor what?
The top floor of that building I told someone to go check out. Yeah, Jex, check out the top floor of that building.
Sheffield, bro.
should be a
Sheffield.
body in
DNA.
There should be a body in there.
There is a
ID it.
body. It is a traitor.
I am proven.
Can I pick up the op?
I killed that guy.
Or
Hey,
yeah,
Reyes.
wait.
How
I'll
can
let
I be
the
suspicious?
detective
I
get
killed
the
the
op.
dude.
I'll let
That
the
was a
detective
T.
get the op.
Thanks, kid.
I'm proven.
Briggs is
Actually-
dead.
Raise the
Kid?
stakes is suspicious
Kid?
now.
I'm older than
Actually,
you.
no, you can have the op. You can have the op.
Nah, I got an AUG.
Who are you shooting? Who are you
Me,
shooting?
I'm not actually sure what I'm
Space
shooting at
Laser?
the time, but I am. Smoke.
But I
Oh
should have
my
that kind of
gosh,
power.
That's
guys.
kind of T-baiting.
This is... Whoa, bro.
Good
Okay.
point.
This footage, we're playing with
Infinite
Gabe
Eclipse is
Newell.
aiming at other people.
I'm aiming at Infinite Eclipse. He just fell.
Space turtle this through grenade space.
Raise the
I
stakes is also
I did
aiming
not
at
throw
other
a
people.
grenade. I dropped it on the floor. Why is there
The
an ID body in there?
Infinite.
That was
Infinite.
insane.
That was
Someone
a
threw an
freaking
instant
disco
up.
bomb I threw on the floor. Between the towers.
Raise the
Why does that
stakes
matter?
is aiming at people.
Space-
Okay, if I die,
Why?
Staying in the
KOS, raise
body.
the
You're
stakes.
staying on the body.
Alright, where is it? Where is it? I'm coming. Don't
I
wait.
just called you
I'm
to it.
coming. Wait, I'm coming.
Oh,
Wait,
oh,
how much money is on DNA?
Who's scaring
I don't
you
know.
now?
20
I
seconds.
think it's Guru.
Well, we'll find DNA on someone who's a T.
I just made it. I like jumped across buildings. I'm like pumped. Running.
Oh, that was it. Oh, ooh,
You're gonna be, oh,
This
you
Dix
missed
is
it.
aiming at a lot of people.
You missed it. Smoke
I
grenade.
ran all this way just for
Smoke
that.
grenade. You gotta do it again, Seth.
Infinity.
I'm gonna kill Raise the Stakes in overtime, guys.
Okay, you do that.
I feel like girl out through an incense.
Go.
Fish got shot.
Okay, what's girl out?
Great, now we know he's dead. Oh, here he.
girl,
Oh, sorry, Jack. Sorry, Jack. Sorry,
Why
Jack,
have
I
you
thought
done
it was
this?
I'm very. Mike is echoing my good sir.
Where's Guru?
I'm gonna go fuck his brain.
Ay.
Kept on screaming.
Yeah, let's
He
just
kept
kill
on
Infinite.
screaming,
Why would we not just kill Infinite?
KOS.
How do you
Infinite.
got at the roof? Get. You know, no, never mind.
KOS Infinite again.
Don't
Yeah.
electrify the axe, we'll kill you.
What
Cave.
happens if you
Cave.
electrify it? I have no
No.
idea what happens.
Actually, yeah, let's let Meep figure out what happens.
Steals your soul.
Actually, it does.
You wanna electrify the X?
Do not electrify that goddamn axe.
Whoa, what's going on over here?
Me. I'm just gonna go look for Infinite.
Infinite's dead.
Oh, yes?
Infinite.
Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
I'm pretty sure Lol's just already aimed him.
Yeah, he
No,
did.
that's on an RDM.
Guru.
Gabe,
Guru.
Gabe,
Take this
Gabe,
X and electrify
Gabe,
it.
give me that axe. Give me that axe.
Electrify
Yeah,
the
anytime.
Electrify it.
No, give me that axe.
Can I electrify it
Give
or
me
no?
that axe. No, do not electrify that shit.
Do not put the axe right here.
What happens? Just tell me what happens and I won't do it.
Oh
You.
crap.
Oh
my
no. No. No.
Or do you?
Alright guys, I am not a T.
I think he's completely a T. He's a rare blue T. We should
He's
all not
definitely
shoot him
a
on
T.
sight.
I really think that.
Shut up.
Meow.
Shut up, me.
Should we gag him?
No. I really want. No.
Let's
No,
gag
why?
him, then gimp him.
KOS.
Because
I'll
voice
never be
commands are not
quiet.
allowed.
I'm not
Raise,
able to
raise,
my own voice.
raise. Give me that
Hey,
damn
Guys,
don't
axe.
you
have
dare
DNA,
touch
speak,
that
speak,
chocolate.
wait.
Thank
Raise,
Can I
raise.
seriously get
Give
the
Give me
other
that
one?
axe, Raise.
Infinity Clips. KOS Infinity
Give me that axe, Raise.
KOS
Give me
Infinity
that
Clips.
axe.
KOS Infinity
Someone
Clips.
killed Adam. Oh god. I'm done.
KOS Infinity
God, I
Clips.
can't hit him.
Oh, I thought. Where is he? I'll snipe him. Oh, I'm proven.
Hey, I think I got the kill.
No, I'm proven. And Og was used to kill him.
Yeah, no, I got that kill then. I had the AUG.
Infinite, you tried to stab
No,
him
you
and I
don't.
was
This
there
is
with
an AUG.
DNA.
I shot him though. I
No,
put a
this
bullet
is
in
an
him.
AUG.
No, this is an Og.
No, this is an AUG.
No, this is an Og.
Kill each other to find out which is an
They're
organ.
literally
Hold on,
both
wait a second,
dogs.
wait a
Kill
second.
each other right now.
That's the joke, you idiot.
Whoa.
Wait, shut up, Raise.
Aw, I'm an Og.
Where's the detective?
Don't
I'm
touch
a
the ball.
detective. Is there
Mr.
DNA?
Detective, are you
Raise.
Hey, what's funny?
What happened?
The
Ooh,
building.
the
I
guy,
did it.
the guy right there. He
Infinite.
Oh.
I'm guessing it was.
What
I don't know.
DNA? The DNA for the stab? That was Infinity Clips.
He said funny thing though, so I say we kill funny thing.
Yeah, we kill funny thing. Wait, no, I think I know what he did. Hold on. Let me check something. Hey, check that tower. Someone check that tower over there. I'm gonna go check out over
Guys,
here.
there's supposedly a lot of us
It's
still
just us
alive.
Okay, wait. No.
It might be
Alright,
just us.
hold up. I do this tactic too when I do
Guru just came out from nowhere.
do the building. I think funny thing's
Briggs,
still
Briggs,
alive.
get Briggs. Oh wait,
I
And
joined
yeah,
the
get
game.
Briggs.
Briggs.
Bet he
doing
killed
anything.
him.
What's it
I
doing?
bet he
Somebody
killed him.
come get Briggs with me, please.
Yeah, hold on. I'm still looking for a funny thing because I bet he's still alive.
Oh,
Uh-oh. Looks like he got gots. I found him. They're over on the far side. I found him. Ow, they're all shooting at me. Help me. Guys? Guys? I'm all alone, aren't I? Oh!
You were the last one.
Fuck you, motherfucker.
Dude, hey, guys, I got the Glock. I got the Glock, here you go. Here's the Glock of truth, my friend. The Glock of truth, I have the Glock of
His
truth.
mic is so bad.
Uh-oh! Someone's really innocent.
Wait, hey, while we're...
Move!
Moo! Stop saying moo like a freaking cow.
Said move. Briggs, what are you doing?
Moo.
Briggs! No! I refuse! No! Oh my gosh!
Hey guys, how's the Brony Club going in here?
Someone just murdered
Oh,
Briggs.
Yeah,
Someone just
really?
murdered Briggs.
No.
Like, straight murdered him. Oh, Jesus.
No.